This is a demonstration of my Flip the Robot Monkey game, created in Construct. Here we have the various event sheets. This is the Game Over event sheet. This is the Level event sheet. And finally, this is the Start event sheet. Now, starting the game, you can see that it plays just like many other platformers. Up here we have the current lives, and here we have the time left, our ammo, and our score. So if you hit the space bar, as you can see, shoot. However, if you get caught, you will die. Unfortunately, because you only shoot little stunners. So you must shoot to disarm, and then once you jump up on top, you can knock them out of the game.